What's poppin'? Who's watching what's happening this Wednesday? Happy hump day to you. We are starting nice and early this morning, hitting the gym, getting the blood flowing, getting the pump going for this meeting, the team meeting that is. And I gotta ask you, do you look this serious in your team meetings? Why so serious? I mean, it is pretty serious when you're talking about helping out homeowners with their big roofing problems, water coming in, all that jazz with your roof. But you know, it also is fun here. We like to incorporate a little fun. We're giving away some YETI coolers as a sales contest. Vic, the proud winner of this month's contest, the new Wetlands YETI collection. Shout out to YETI for making a amazing looking cooler. Guys, this is what we like to do here. We like to have a little fun. We like to get a lot of shit done, but we also like to have some fun. And after we're done with these serious meetings, we still have business to conduct. We have to go out and inspect the trucks. That's what we're doing right here. We're making sure that we are in tip-top shape with the vehicles that we use to come to your home, inspect your roof, and get the work done. We gotta make sure that we look good, we feel good, and you can see Vic is showing that right here with the minty freshness and the smell good, and yeah, the beard oil right here. So guys, if you want a roofing company to come out and solve all your problems and look good while doing it, here we are, look no more. And of course, it's a team effort. We all gotta look good, we all gotta feel good. And if you are not getting that where you're at, maybe you're at the wrong spot, because you should have this much fun in a team meeting, guys. I mean, come on. And yes, this, of course, builds up an appetite. So what more to do than try the new Tu Asador that opened up right down the road from your office? I hope I said that right, but regardless whether I did or not, it's an amazing place. You owe it to yourself to go check it out for some great food located right here down the road, Encino Rio 281. Go check them out, guys. Thanks so much for watching, tuning in on this happy Wednesday. We will see you on the next one.